Hello, welcome back to my kitchen with Miss Debbie. How are you doing? I'm making a little chuck pot roast here. As you can see, it's been washed and packed dry with a clean paper towel. So I'm gonna season the top. I'm gonna season this just a bit. Here I have some salt. I have black pepper. So many plates I can get inside too. I have roasted garlic powder. And I have onion powder. Okay, I've been putting some on the side here because I'm going to get the sides. I want to get the sides also. Okay. I have here I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil and about 2 tablespoons of butter. Other ingredients I'm going to be using are these diced potatoes. I have some carrots peeled and sliced. I have an onion sliced, tomato, minced garlic, fresh thyme. In here I have some homemade beef broth. For a second, I almost say chicken broth. That's some homemade beef broth I have there. Okay, so I'm waiting on this to heat up enough so the chicken doesn't stick to the pan. And we're gonna start some business. Okay, let me get the tongs here. And let's get this in this pot. Okay, I'm gonna brown that on each side till I get a nice crust. I'll come back to you when that is over. Okay, so here we go. Nice and crusted on both sides. Pot is here. I'm going to saute the onions and garlic first. And the oven is preheated to 350, guys. Let me add the tomatoes. Chunky, real chunky. Tomato paste. Okay, here. Time. And let's get this back in here. And our broth. I'm putting just about a cup in there. I will see you back in 45 minutes. Okay guys, it's 45 minutes. Let's take a look at our roast here. Ooh. Okay, hush up. I want the gravy to be a little thicker, so I'm going to make a little roux. I'm using flour instead of cornstarch. I have a tablespoon of flour here. Yes, go ahead. People have lives, you know, these things are gonna happen. Okay guys, I want my meat also more tender, so I'm putting this back in the oven for another 45 minutes. Yes, they did. So I'll see you guys back in 45 minutes. The roast is done, and this is what we're left with. Try to use the fork to pull it apart, and yep, just perfect. Just perfect, guys. Thank you so much. I'm not in the mood to eat. I can't try this for you. I'm just not. Wow. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Oh, that fat. From my kitchen to yours, from my family to yours. Thank you for watching. God bless, and I hope you enjoy this recipe.